Imagine this, you poured hours into trading only to blow another prop firm evaluation, wasting money, time, and confidence. Does this sound familiar to you? I get it. I've blown over 200 evals over my trading journey, but I have also been able to lock in $3 million in funding in 2025 alone and another $700,000 in 2026. In 2026, prop firms are tougher than ever with new rules and mechanics that trip up 90% of traders. But what if I told you there's a proven playbook to not just pass your eval on the first try, but to do it consistently, unlocking millions in funded capital without the endless frustration? That's exactly what you're getting today. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to treat trading like a scalable business, avoiding the pitfalls that cost most traders thousands of dollars. This isn't hype. It's the edge you need to conquer prop firms and build real wealth that will change your life this year. If you're actually serious about turning trading into your profession, stick around. You cannot afford to miss a single step we're going to go over in this entire video. The best tool you could use to help you isolate your wins and losses and know the skills you need to work on is Tradezella. I use it personally every single day. This day trading tool highlights my weaknesses, my strengths, when I need to step away from the charts, and where I'm finding A+ setups so that I can go back and review them so I can know what it looks like when I'm looking at the charts. To make it a little easier for you and save some money for those evals, code Maniac locks you in 20% off your subscription when you sign up for Tradezella. But journaling is one of the most important tools when it comes to day trading. You can do it for free with like a notebook or whatever, but Tradezella, in my opinion, is really worth it. It just makes it super simple to enter like the data, and it auto syncs with Trade8. That's why I have you guys pick it, so it literally just auto syncs with your journal and you can take advantage of that. Link is in the description down below. Now let's get into the homework section for this episode, which is practice makes perfect. Knowledge without action is worthless for you in day trading. This is your homework for this episode. Backtest in Tradezella for either 100 trades on your strategy or mine, or 3+ months of data. During the backtest session, you can use my strategy that I recommended in my YouTube video, or if you have one that already works, go practice it, go put in those reps. But you have to execute as if it's like the live market. Do not skew the data just so it looks cool. Here's how you set up a backtest session in Tradezella if you've never done it before. When you're logged into Tradezella and looking at your dashboard like you see on my screen right now, the far left-hand side of the dashboard, look for that backwards arrow and click that. So as we look to the left-hand side, backwards arrow, and it says backtesting. Once you're in the backtesting dashboard, as you see on my screen, click on the top right-hand corner button that says create session. Now I want you to fill out the title of this backtest session, Maniac Trades Homework. Next, in the description, I want you to write out the trading strategy you are going to be practicing in detail. Then either connect the strategy you already have in Tradezella or click the little purple button that says create a new strategy and add those details. For me, I already have my strategy already out, 1-minute kill shot. That's one we would be using. Next, pick your symbol. For me, I always trade NASDAQ, so that's going to be the symbol I use. We're going to go micro NASDAQ. Next, pick the start date. This is the date the backtest will start. This could be quite literally any date in the past, all the way back to like 1900s, but we won't do that. That's not smart. Don't go that far back. I want you to at least go back to August of 2025. That'll give you about 6 months of data if you're able to finish the entire thing. You can go back further if you'd like, but that will give you a lot of data to work with. So let's go back to August 1st. Then the end date I want you to pick is the present day you made it. So whatever today is, for me, it's March 9th. The starting balance, I wanted to match the starting balance of your evaluation. So if you pick a 25K eval, put in 25K in this portion. For me, I have a $50,000 eval, and there's a quick little button here. We'll just press 50K. Screenshot your backtest session results and tag me on Instagram. I want to see your commitment. I want to like show you guys some love and see the data you guys are actually getting from your sessions. If you want, you can join my free Discord. It's linked down below, so you don't have to do this alone. Come bring your questions, screenshot your backtesting sessions. If you have questions about prop firms or which account to buy, utilize that as a space. You have direct access to me because I don't want you guys to have to do this alone. Do it with the community. It makes it so much better. If this helped at all, like, subscribe, and comment on your biggest takeaway or question you might have down below. Follow Maniac Trades on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for daily insights. I'd love to connect with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's conquer 2026 together.